So hi guys, you know what, I'm making a video because yes, I can even smell her explosion of her diaper. So I'm just going to change her, and this is actually like that. Look. So yeah. So I'm not like changing. So let me just get the diaper. She has got an explosion in her diaper. The diaper like stinks automatically. Automatically weird. Automatically. How does it stink automatically? Anyway, it like stinks, guys. Ew. I think she has like the worst explosion in the entire world. Well, she might have the worst explosion in the entire world, I don't know. So I'm just gonna use this, I'm gonna use one too bad because she does have a really like explosion in her diaper. Because one will not be enough for her. She's like a big baby. This is really wet. That is wet, so wet. And the Huggies were really expensive, guys. Huggies were like $6. No, Huggies were like $4.49. See, I'm gonna just take the diaper off. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna give me one. Please be patient. Use your patient skills. Because most of the people like don't even like being patient, and I like patient people. So please, guys, be patient. Because life is about patience. If you have not known, well, not like really that patient. She wears like these pampers like when she feels like if she feels constipated. Like so you know I know that I made a video of how to change it, but this is like really close up look of how I change her. Like really close up look. You even can see the girl's part, the good thing, because she doesn't see the girl's part in her body. She didn't. So guys, maybe in a moment, be patient again. You can. I don't really like the people that are like not patient. I hate people like, because they're like impatient. They like get what they want whenever they want. Like, I want this like in 10 seconds. If I don't get that, I will kill you, Dad. Not really, I'm not killing my dad. But I go buy one. So yeah, just be patient. Yeah, anyone be patient. So this is a purple one, and so she's not wearing diaper covered pants. So let's change diaper. She's going to push and look forward. And then we were just going to watch some videos, or I will make some videos. But I think I'm going to mostly watch some videos of Julie's Reborn's one, or Don't Go Stranger, or I Love My Babies. I do watch I Love My Babies sometimes. I love My Babies. But I don't know. I do like Julie's Grandma. Another Mermaids and Maybe Grandma. I love Mermaids and Maybe Grandma. Reg Engineer is gonna sorry about that, guys. Just see her here. And I said puppy. Okay, anyway, yeah guys, this is her big fart diaper change. I can't believe I got like so many of the baby wipes. So this is like the crazy fart. This is baby's crazy fart. So yeah, baby's crazy fart. And guys, just to give you just to let you know, my baby, when after I change her diaper, after I change my baby's diapers, if I feed her, she doesn't fart or do poo or wee, whatever. She only does it after an hour, and 2 and 3. So I can give her a drink. So yeah, guys, this is a big fart, crazy fart. Bye, guys.